PartSupply is a 3D Experience Marketplace service allowing sourcing of 3D content directly in CATIA V5. This service is provided free of charge in all recent CATIA V5 levels, with more than 700 suppliers, all of which are trusted and recognized experts in their domains. The 3D Experience Marketplace provides users with more than 30 million standard parts and product configurations. Have a look at some simple examples in the context of this flying wing drone digital mockup. With the PartSupply integration in CATIA V5, you can easily look for standard parts or products, filtering your search results using tags such as categories, supplier name, country, or any other available information. The power of semantic search allows you to retrieve similar parts directly accessible in CATIA V5 and which can then be used in your products to meet your needs. Detailed description is available on each standard part or product for each configuration, which can then be downloaded and opened in CATIA V5 with one click. As PartSupply provides CATIA V5 native data, it's easy for you to reuse them in your product. For instance, here the selected hexagonal nut can be placed in just a few clicks on one of the flying wing drone's engine axis. To enhance your experience, PartSupply integration in CATIA V5 also provides you with functionality which makes it very easy to use standard parts and products. For example, with just a few clicks you can insert a selected part or product configuration in your product. You can also replace a multi-instantiated part with a new one coming from PartSupply. As you can see here, using CATIA V5's existing capabilities, it's easy to replace all the instances of one screw by new ones with the standard screw coming from PartSupply.